Latavius Murray has worn number 28 since he was a kid, but he won't be putting the number on his new jersey in Minnesota. The running back signed with the Vikings Wednesday, but out of respect to Adrian Peterson, the man who has worn 28 in purple and gold for nearly a decade and is now a free agent, Murray says he'll choose a different number. Murray took to Instagram with a heartfelt caption that read in part, quote, "I want to say to Vikings fans, I'm not here to replace number 28. He's irreplaceable. I'm not here to be number 28. There's no one like him. I ask that you accept me for the player that I am and know that I'm going to give you all I got and to win." Now, Murray says he initially wore the number 28 as a kid because of Fred Taylor, who played for the Jaguars at the time, but Peterson was a large part of the inspiration to keep the number. Murray signed a 3-year deal with the Vikings, reportedly worth about $15 million. He rushed for over 2,200 yards and 20 touchdowns in 3 seasons with the Raiders.